Hey everyone, it's Kayla with Kayla's Cricut Creations, and I'm excited to share my favorite Prime Day picks for July 2024. I got up early to look through the deals, and there are so many good ones. In the comments, let me know what you're looking for Prime Day. If it's not on my list, then I can try to search for you. But I went through and found some of my favorite products and put it all in one list on my Amazon store. I'll leave a link down below in my description box. I also receive a small commission if you buy anything through it, so I always just really appreciate that. I tried to kind of organize this list so it made it easier to go through it, but starting off, I have Cricut Machines and Heat Press Machines. There's two similar bundles, the Cricut Maker 3 and Cricut Explorer Air 3. There's also a Cricut Joy writable vinyl bundle. For some reason, these two say limited time deal and this says Prime Day. I honestly don't know the difference. Even down here, some of those say that. If anybody knows, let us know in the comments because I'm not sure what the difference is. If you've had your eye on any of these machines, then I would go check those deals out. The H2V Ront Auto Heat Press machines are on sale. I have a review and unboxing video on my YouTube channel, so I can leave a link for that down in my description box if you want to check that out. I also have some Cricut heat press machines on here. What stood out to me was the Cricut Easy Press Mini. They have two different colors and it's only $39. That's a really, really good deal. I use mine all the time. I always recommend it. So if you're looking for that, now is a good time to purchase that. I actually have an unboxing of the Cricut Joy Extra, and I think I have one of the Cricut Joy. It's probably several years old, but personally for me, if you're looking at either of these two machines, I would go with the Cricut Joy Extra. It can do print and cut. It can cut just a little bit wider, but it's still small and compact, so I really love that machine. Here's some tumbler machines. There's basically three different kinds that I found. I found two different auto tumbler presses, this green one and then down here this blue one. This is the same brand as my H2V Ront heat press. I have never tested this one out, so I'm not sure how that one works. That's something I might do in the future, but I did just recently test out this one and I really, really liked it. PYD Life has their sublimation ovens and their tumbler heat press machines on sale, so you can check that out. Also, when looking at all these different machines, I recommend reading the reviews. Those are always so helpful. On my Instagram story the other day, I asked what people are looking for Prime Day. Someone said a button press, so I thought this one looked good. There are several others that are on Prime Day deals as well. A lot of people said they were also looking for the Kindle, and I am a big Kindle girl. I love my Kindle. I have the Paperwhite that is on sale. There's also a few other Kindles that are on a Prime Day deal as well. I have an Amazon Echo that I use in my craft room all the time. I put that on here because it's 45% off, so that's really good. The next ones are just tools that I use all the time. I love my PYD Life cup tumbler cradle. Definitely a most used item that I have in my craft room, but I have several others here. This purple tape dispenser, this is not the brand that I have. I thought it was at first. The brand I have, I believe, is like $16, so you might want to look at reviews for this one. But here's some other craft supplies that I use a lot. I also found some things for organizing the craft room. I have this craft cart and I also have a video of me assembling this. Let me click on it real fast. This is a lightning deal. It looks like it's 34% claimed. It's $99, but you can also use a promo code to get 10% off. So I love this thing. The way they set it up is just perfect for craft supplies. The only thing is if you have tons of supplies like me, it's just not going to work. But if you're a crafter and you're just starting out, this is pretty cool because it'll hold your vinyl rolls, either cardstock or vinyl sheets, your cutting mat, a heat press, your machine, and you can even put your tools in the drawer. So it's a nice little furniture piece to have everything all in one place if you just don't have too much materials and supplies like I do. Here's a few other tools that you can use with your cutting machines. I also added some pens. I always like to pick up markers and pens during Prime Day. Oh, and the silicone inserts for the Cricut mug press. Those are a Prime Day deal. Here's a few other sublimation and heat press items. I use Cosmos ink for sublimation, but Hippo is another very popular one, so that's on sale if you use that. I found some really fun Cricut and sublimation blanks as well. These champagne flutes and stemless wine glasses, they're so pretty and fun to personalize, especially for like weddings and things like that. There's some tumblers and glass cans on here that are on Prime Day deal. I also found sublimation tumbler blanks as well. And here's some different materials like vinyl. HTV Ront has really good quality vinyl. Also, I always recommend Tech Wrap. They are a favorite of mine, and some of their vinyl is on sale. They also have a really good sale going on over on their website. Lots of fun deals, so I will link that info down below. And here's just a few other things that I found. I use this microphone and tripod for my Cricut videos. Prime Day is going on today and tomorrow, so I will go through and update the list constantly today and tomorrow. I will do a community post over on my YouTube channel too, so if you want to click on it anytime today or tomorrow, you can easily do that. Let me know if you're shopping for Prime Day, what you've picked up, or what you're looking for. I feel like I should get on and look for some Christmas present ideas right now with all these good sales. Thank you so much for watching this video. I always appreciate when you watch my videos, when you shop through my links. It means so much to me.